Bombers, JJ Reeves. For PCO, Daryl Green. At weight class 113, wrestling for the Bombers, Zach Miller. For 5th PCO. Weight class 120, wrestling for Midwest City, Gavin Hartrider. Wrestling for PCO, Daryl Semiola. Weight class 126, wrestling for Midwest City, Quantrell Garcia. For PCO, either JT Visor or Ian Fugit. At weight class 132, wrestling for Midwest City, Jeremy Griffith. For PCO, to be determined. Okay, next weight class 138, wrestling for Midwest City, Uriah Nell. And for